Hi guys. Ito guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ang daming bunga guys na. Yan. Marami nang nakuha dyan guys. Ang gaganda guys. Hitik sa bunga guys. Oh. Yan. Ito pa maganda guys. Ay, may saging dito guys. Oh. Yan guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Wow. Yan guys, oh, ganda. The other one guys, there. Yan. Dalawang puno guys ang may bunga ng saging guys. Other one guys, papaya. Tinatago guys. Yan. Madaming bunga guys.